Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a BoxyCharm unboxing. I created this look right here with this month's products. We have some good ones, some maybe meh, but definitely stay tuned to find out my thoughts and how I created this look. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload videos. And yeah, if you want to see what is in this month's BoxyCharm and how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so in this BoxyCharm, you get 5 full-size products like usual. The theme of this month's box is wildflower. So it's kind of focusing on the eyes and the lips and a little bit of blush. So we shall start off with the eyeballs. So we got a full-size Pretty Vulgar Embrace Your Beautiful Contradictions palette. So this guy right here retails for $35. It says, made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is for sure to help you create your best looks. Matte shimmers, satins are soft in texture and luxurious in formula. Makes for easy blending and long wear. So like I said, this is $35. We will open her up. The palette actually feels like, I've already kind of swatched it a little bit, but the palette feels really sturdy. It's got a magnetic enclosure. But it feels good, like if you were to travel with it. It is definitely a cooler toned palette. Cool tone looks are just not normally looks that I gravitate towards, but it's definitely something great to have in your collection. When you need that cool tone look, you could definitely reach for this. I'm just going to set my eyelids with this shade right here called Nocturnal. And to use that, I'm going to go, so about this brush set. 100% synthetic fibers, soft, durable, flat painter brush, a fluffy blender, and a flat liner brush. This trio retails for $18. So I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush into that Nocturnal shade. And just sweep it all over to kind of, set the base. So the goal is I'm going to try to do a look with just these 3 brushes and not, dip into any other ones. Okay, so I really want to take Pillow Fight and deepen up my crease. The texture on these is so like buttery. It feels so nice. That was just like one quick little swatch on the back of my hand of this Pillow Fight shade. So I think this is actually a satin finish. So I'll put it all over the crease and see what happens. This is like a really big mirror also. That's pretty impressive. I like the size of that mirror. Okay. Oh boy, that's light. That's like lighter than the, I'm so confused. That's literally lighter than that Nocturnal shade. Like, so this is the shade I just swept on my crease and it literally just came out white. That's crazy. Okay, well that will be a really pretty highlight shade. Oh no. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go back in with that Nocturnal shade and try to blend that out. That's really a lot lighter than I expected it to be. Okay, we're looking cray. I'm gonna go back into the shade Hide and Seek. I'm like scared. Is it gonna be dark? Maybe I should swatch it. This one, yeah, these are definitely cooler. Oh, sorry, blue. Definitely cooler tones for sure. They're super creamy though, and so far, pretty pigmented. What I like about this palette is it's definitely like, we can do a daytime look like what I'm doing right now, and then there's definitely colors in here to really, really amp it up to a nighttime look. So I like that. I love palettes that are super versatile. Okay, so I think I'm going to next take that flat shader brush and go into the shade Clutch right here, which is like a champagne-y, definitely a really pretty champagne-y color. Oh wow, that color is really, really, really pretty. It's really, really cool toned. It's very cool toned. There's no escaping that. I really didn't want to do a shimmer look today, but I'm gonna put just a tiny bit. Now I am not wetting my brush, so normally with shimmer shades, you want to wet your brush. So I am gonna just try it out with my finger and see if that gives me better payoff. And it does. Okay, that's really pretty. My child's breaking something in the living room currently. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Flip Flop, which is this cool toned brown. And I'm going to take that flat definer brush and I'm just gonna line my eyes with it. Like where you would normally stamp eyeliner. And then kind of flick it out to the side. This brush, oh my God, is like the perfect thickness and stiffness to do like an eyeliner effect. I'm gonna go check on my child real quick and see what she's ruining. Good thing I went out there because she managed to grab I'm such a bad mom, off the middle shelf, which is way over her head, a like faux succulent plant, and she was banging it on the floor. Good thing it didn't break. I am going to go back into that with that flat, I can't talk, flat brush. And I'm gonna go back into that Pillow Fight shade that we first tried to sweep all over the lid, and I'm just gonna use that as like an inner corner highlight. All right, it's just super pretty, natural, cool toned daytime look. So they do have an eyeliner in the palette. I don't really want to put eyeliner on today, just because it's a black eyeliner, but I am happy about this one. So that we're easy. It was either this one or another one that was like that roll on, like it had like a wheel and you rolled it on. So I'm super happy that I got this. This is Butter London's Lustrous Liner. This guy retails for $19, and I'll swatch it on the back of my hand for you, but it has that awesome pointy felt tip, super liquidy, and I don't know, we'll see if it dries shiny or matte. It says lustrous, so I have a feeling it's gonna be shiny. I am a fan of matte black eyeliners, but we will see. Again, that is the color. Okay, so reading about the Butter London, it says, define and shine with glaze and lustrous liner, a soft metallic, long-wearing liner that glides on with effortless precision. Crafted with a liquid luster complex, weightless liner contains radiant sparkle to enhance super fine shine. Okay, so it does have little baby sparkles in there. I don't know if you can see it. That would be cool to amp up any kind of nighttime look if you want that extra shine. So it is not matte, it is a lustrous sparkle liner. So we have 2 more products in the box. The next up I'm super excited about is the Laura Geller Baked Blush. This is in the shade Tropic Hues. Our blush retails for $28. These blushes, you guys, are so awesome. So I'm super excited. This is what she looks like. Just so stunning. and I will give you a little swatcheroo. Now when you swatch them, they look a little more intense than they really are, but with a light hand, you can go in and kind of, you know, apply it gradually. So I am just going to take my blush brush. Oh boy, there's a lot of dust. And we are gonna make sure we're tapping that off, and then we are going to just real gently apply it to the cheeks. You guys know I like to take my blush in closer to the bridge of my nose. And just look at that like sheen. It just gives you, it's not matte whatsoever, and it is just the prettiest sheen ever. I'm obsessed. This product right here, to me, I mean, you pay $20 for the box. This is $28. This is worth it altogether for the entire box. Like, I mean, you can't beat that. So I'm super excited that I got this blush. Last but not least, we got a lippy. This is the Hank and Henry Matte Liquid Lip in Petal Pusher. This retails for $17, and it says, have your cake and wear it too. Frosting scented long wearing liquid lip glides on smooth, while vitamin E infused formula gives lips youthful look they deserve. Highly pigmented, dries to a stunning full coverage matte that never dries your lips and never transfers. That's bold. And it really does smell like cupcakes. All right, let's see what she looks like. This color is definitely not a color that I would kind of pair with this eye look, but that's okay. As you can see, that was one dip into the product, which is awesome. I love it when you only have to dip in there once and it covers your entire lip. This color is really, really, really pretty. It's definitely not drying. Can you guys see this horrible hole in my lip? Because when I was 18, I thought it was really cute to get your lip pierced, which it was really cute for me at the time. Now I'm regretting it, but I wish I could cover that up. Anyways, still drying. Let's see if it's transfer proof. Not yet. Maybe it will dry down a little bit more, but it feels really, really, really comfortable on the lips. So that's it. Those are our BoxyCharm items for the month August. Is it August? I don't even know what month we're in anymore. When it's all said and done, you have paid $21 for BoxyCharm a month, and this month's box is $117 worth of product. That, again, you can't beat. I really, really loved this month's box. These products are great. The brushes are great. You can never have enough brushes. The lip, I love. This color is going to be an everyday. If you like this video and you like seeing BoxyCharm's unboxings, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click it, like it, love it, watch it, follow me on my journey. I'm having so much fun with you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.